Hello students, welcome back in ENV class. In last video of this chapter, we discussed about birds' feet. In today's video, we will discuss about beaks of birds and animals' teeth. So let's start. Beaks according to the food. So we all know that birds do not have any teeth, but they have a tongue. The tongue is thick and all birds do not have the same type of beak. So all birds have different type of beak. So let's discuss. Birds such as eagle and vulture feed on small birds and animals. So they have strong, sharp and hooked beaks for tearing flesh, and these birds are called flesh-eating birds. Birds such as woodpecker have strong pointed beaks. Such beaks help them to poke holes into hard tree trunks and pull out insects from holes. This bird is hoopoe. Hoopoe uses its beak to look for food inside existing tree holes. So here we can see beaks of woodpecker and hoopoe. Birds such as sunbird and hummingbird suck nectar from flowers. They have long and pointed beaks which help to suck nectar. Water birds such as duck and goose have broad and flat beaks. These birds take in muddy water with insects, worms and plants using their beaks. So, duck and goose have beaks to find insects from mud and shallow water. Here we can see flat beaks of duck and goose. Birds such as pigeon and sparrow eat nuts and seeds. These birds have strong, short and hard beaks that help them to crack open their food. So here we can see birds such as pigeon and sparrow have strong, short and hard beak. A parrot has a short, hard and hooked beak. It is useful to crack open seeds and eat the flesh of fruits. Now we will discuss about animals' teeth. First of all, this animal is cow. Do you know cows have short front teeth for snipping grass? The teeth on the sides are large and flat for chewing the grass. So here we can see teeth of cow. Cats have sharp teeth for cutting meat. So here we can see sharp teeth of cat. Snakes have sharp curved teeth, but they do not chew their prey. Snakes always swallow their food. And last is squirrel. Squirrels' front teeth keep growing throughout their life. They have to keep gnawing on things to keep their teeth from becoming too long. So here we can see teeth of squirrel. So here our 16th chapter, A Busy Month, is completed. In this chapter we learnt about so many things. We learnt about different kind of birds, different kind of beaks of birds, different kind of feet of birds and animals' teeth. In next video we will start our new chapter and I will send you PDF file that you have to write down in your notebook. And I will send you PDF file of textbook also that you have to write down in your textbook. Thank you.